students, now I'm going to start question number 1 of exercise 9.2. Now in this question we have find the sum. Here we have 5 by 4 plus minus 11 by 4. So 5 by 4 will remain same, and we know that here's two sign are together. So here plus minus, if you multiply these two sign, then we'll get minus. So here we have minus sign and then 11 by 4. Now when denominator is same, see here denominator is 4. So the LCM also will be 4. Now when denominator is same, then whatever is there in the numerator, we'll just put that. So here we have 5 minus 11. Now one is plus and another is minus. So plus minus minus, so 11 minus 5 is 6. But while putting the sign, we will always put greater one sign here, as 11 is greater than 5. So the sign of 11 is negative. So here will be negative. So we have minus 6 by 4, and this 6 and 4 comes in 2's table. So we will just cut it and convert it into simplest form. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So answer will be minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now in the next part we have 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. Now here we have two different denominators. So we will have to find the LCM. So the LCM of 3 and 5. 3 ones are 3, 5 cannot be divided by 3, then 5 ones are 5. So the LCM of these two will be 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15. Okay, so that means we will have to make 15 in the denominator. So what should be multiplied by 3 to get 15? So it's 5. The same number should be multiplied by the numerator. So what we are getting in the numerator, 5 5s are 25. Okay. So here we can write it as 5 into 5. Okay. Then we have plus. Then again, what should be multiplied by 5 to get 15? So it's 3. So the same number should be multiplied by the numerator. Okay. So we will write 3 into 3. Then in the next step we will multiply. Okay. So here the denominator will remain 15 only, and here 5 5s are 25. Plus 3 3s are 9. Now 95 plus 4. 25 plus 4. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So we have 34 by 15. And this 34 by 15 is already in simplest form. So the answer will be 34 by 15. Okay. Now next. Now in the next part we have minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15. So again we will have to find the LCM of 10 and 15. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Then 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So the LCM of 10 and 15 is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So we will have to make 30 in the denominator. Now what should be multiplied by 10 to get 30? So it's 3. Now the same number should be multiplied by the numerator. So in the numerator we have minus 9 multiplied by 3. Then we have plus sign. Now what should be multiplied by 15 to get 30? So it's 2. Now the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So in the numerator we have 22 multiplied by 2. So here we are getting minus 9 multiplied by 3. So it's 27 plus 20. So minus 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. So it will be minus, as this is having negative sign. Now 22 2s are 44. Okay, now one is positive and another is negative. So plus minus minus, so we will just subtract 44 and 27. So here 7 to 14 is 7. So 4 will be 3, 2 to 3 is 1. Now the sign of 44 is plus, which is greater. Okay. So that means the here sign will be positive. So we will have 17 by 30. And this is already in simplest form. So answer will be this. Okay. Now next. Now in the next part we have minus 3 by minus 11 plus 5 by 9. So here this minus sign we can cancel, because this minus sign is with the numerator as well as in the denominator. So we can cancel it. So it will become 3 by 11. Okay. Now 3 by 11 plus 5 by 9. Both are positive because this minus and this minus makes positive. So here we will have to find the LCM of 11 and 9. So the LCM of 11 and 9 is 11 cannot be divided by 3, then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Then 11 1s are 11. So the LCM of 11 and 9 is 3 into 3 into 11. So it's 3 3s are 9, 9 11s are 99. So that means LCM is 99 and we'll have to make 99 in the denominator. So what should be multiplied by 11 to get 99? So it's 9. So the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So what do we have in the numerator? 3 multiplied by 9. Then we have plus sign. Now what should be multiplied by 9 to get 99? So it's 11. Now the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So 5 11s are here. We'll write 5 multiplied by 11. Then we will multiply in the next step. So denominator will remain same, which is 99. 3 9s are 27 plus 5 11s are 55. Now if you add 27 and 55, then you will get 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 1 carry, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have 82 by 99. Okay, and this is already in simplest form. So answer of the fourth part will be 82 by 99. Okay, now coming to next number. Now in the next part we have minus 8 by 19 plus minus 2 by 57. So here minus 8 by 19 will remain same. Now here see, here is plus and here is minus. So we know that plus minus will become minus. So here will be minus 2 by 57. Okay, now the LCM of 19 and 57. So the LCM of 19 and 57 is 19 1s are 19, 19 3s are 57. Then 3 1s are 3. So 19 multiplied by 3, so it will be 57. So the LCM of 19 and 57 will be 57. Now what should be multiplied by 19 to get 57? So it's 3. So the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So we have minus 8. Okay, this is equal sign, and after this here minus 8 multiplied by 3. Then we have minus sign. Now 57 will be multiplied by 1 to get this the same. So the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So 2 multiplied by 1. Now here denominator will remain same, which is 57. Now minus 8 multiplied by 3. So it's minus 24 minus 2. Okay, now minus minus plus, so 24 plus 2 is 26. Okay, and since both the digits, both the number is having negative sign, so it will be negative. Okay, so here will be 26 by 57. Now this is already in simplest form, so answer of the fifth part will be minus 26 by 57. Now next. Now in the sixth part we have minus 2 by 3 plus 0. Now here without calculation, here we can directly write minus 2 by 3 as answer. Why? Because we know that if we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. So answer is minus 2 by 3. Now this can be done in another way also. Like here we have minus 2 by 3. And we know that here we always make the denominator same, right? So this 0 can be written as 0 by 3 because here we have already 3 as denominator. So here to express 0, we will have to write 0 by 3. Instead of taking another number in the denominator, we will have to take the same number. Now when the denominator is same, then we will have the same LCM, means 3 is LCM. So we'll just write whatever we have in the numerator. So minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2 by 3. Okay, so this way we can do number 6. Now last part of number 1. Now in the last part we have minus 2 1 by 3 plus 4 3 by 5. Okay, so for this is given in mix, so we will have to convert it into improper. So this multiplied by this, and then this plus 1 to be added with this. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 3, and here will be minus, plus 5 plus 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 20, 3 by 5. Now the LCM of 3 and 5. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is 3 ones are 3. 5 cannot be divided by 3. So it will be 5. Then 5 ones are 5. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So here we have 15. Now what should be multiplied by the denominator to get 15? So it's 5. Now the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So we have minus 7 multiplied by 5 plus. Now 5 multiplied by 3 to get 15, right? Now 3 will be multiplied by the numerator also. So 23 multiplied by 3. Now the denominator will remain same, which is 15. Now 5 sevens are minus 7 multiplied by 5 is minus 35. And 23 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So we have 69. Now one is negative and another is positive. So minus plus minus. So 69 minus 35 is 5 to 9 is 4 and 3 to 6 is 3. Here 69 is having plus sign and 35 is having negative sign. And we always put greater one sign, which is plus sign here. So we have 34 by 15. Okay. So this is the answer of the last part. Okay, so this was all about question number 1. Thank you, students.